Today, I make this spicy catfish fry. Here are the ingredients. Fry catfish. Subscribe to my channel. Put some oil. Add some fenugreek, chopped onions and green chili. Salt, turmeric, chili powder, ginger garlic paste, fish masala, coriander powder. Add some water. Grind the spices well. Potato. After few minutes, add some more water. Fry catfish. Now it's ready to eat. Share our recipe with friends and families. Thanks for watching.